Hi guys, here is how you can turn your PC to Android TV using a bootable USB. Now to make your PC to Android TV, we will require this Android TV ISO file. I will provide the link in the description. We also need Rufus and a pen drive. For Rufus, you can simply go to this website and download it. I'm using this portable one for this video. Anyway, after this is done, let me quickly insert my pen drive. So here is it. Please make sure the pen drive is empty as it will be formatted anyway. Now open Rufus. I will say no. Then pen drive is auto selected. For the disk image, browse to this location. So here is it. For the partition, you can choose ZPT or MBR as per your system. Only MBR work for us. This is auto selected. You can give any volume name. It is Android TV for now. And for the file system, make sure it is FAT32. So this is done. And click on Start. Okay, it requires some files. Yes. Again yes. It will download some files. Now the pen drive will be formatted. So okay. So the folder automatically opens as it is working. Anyway, make sure this is 100%. So this is all done. Close this. Let's open the pen drive. In here, you will find this data4zip file. Basically, this is where you can install your apps and other things. Let me quickly extract it here. So it is all done and we are all set. Let me close this. And now simply restart your PC. Now depending on your laptop model, you need to choose the boot option. For this PC, Dell, we need to press F12, but it could be F10, delete depending on a PC. In here, I will choose the USB storage device, which is a pen drive, and enter. Now choose the first option. Please know that this screen may be different on a PC. Anyway, enter. And it is about to get started. Now choose your language. I will choose English. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Please note the mouse may not work properly, so use the keyboard. Use arrow keys to navigate. Next. So it is connected. If it is not, then you can also use LAN connection. I will use it as Android TV. Enter. You can browse it if you want. Here are some settings. So this is the internal storage and this is the Android TV. Anyway, press escape. So here is our Android TV. It may take some time to load. If you want to download apps, then go to the Play Store, but you will have to sign in. If you click on apps, for now there are no apps added. But here is Android TV, and you can open YouTube and watch YouTube. Let's use it as a guest. Now the good part is, it as well works on other compatible PC. You can simply use the same USB and insert it to other PC, but make sure it is compatible. Let me quickly shut it down. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.